My favorite shirt got fixed. Just had to sew it, but it got fixed. Remember that day I almost broke my butt and my dome when I fell all over the place. I had a hole here. Oh, finally fixed it. So it's good now. What's that sound? Oh, what is that? Oh, my back is dead. My back is dead. Oh, my butt. I think I broke it. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, I think I broke my butt. I broke my butt. I think I broke my butt. I don't even know if I can go poop anymore. I'm gonna have to go to the doctor and then have to suck everything out. I broke my butt. Oh.